The 2021 Bugatti Chiron Noire is a masterful blend of performance, luxury, and exclusivity, paying homage to the brand's rich heritage. Its sleek design, premium materials, and exceptional performance make it a true hypercar masterpiece. Here's a detailed overview of the 2021 Bugatti Chiron Noire. Exterior: unique black carbon fiber bodywork. Glossy black finish with a subtle sheen. Iconic Bugatti C-shaped lines and curves. Carbon fiber wings and trim. 21-inch aluminum wheels with black finish. Unique Noire logo on the rear grille. Interior: black leather and aluminum trim. Sport seats with Noire logo on the door sills. Carbon fiber and aluminum accents. Premium leather and Alcantara upholstery. Limited edition Noire badging and plaque. Performance: 8.0-liter, 16-cylinder engine. 1,500 horsepower and 1,300 pound-feet of torque. 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. All-wheel drive with adaptive torque distribution. 0 to 60 mph in 2.4 seconds. Top speed: 261 miles per hour, electronically limited. Advanced suspension and chassis systems for exceptional handling and ride comfort.